how to download Windows 10 ISO for 2024. So if you want to download the Windows 10, then what you need to do is first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search and search for Windows ISO 10. Once you've searched here, you will have your download Windows 10 by the Microsoft. Click on that. And once you're here, you just need to go for bottom. And here you will have download now option. Click on download now. And once you click on download now, it will start the download process. Go for the upper right, which has that arrow. And here you will have your download. So go for full download history and wait for some time till it's downloaded. Once it's downloaded, click on it and open that, or go for show in folder and then open that, and here click on yes. So it will start the setup. Just wait for some time and you need to restart your device. So click on OK and then click on accept and choose the first option, which is upgrade this PC now, and then click on next and it will start downloading the Windows 10. So that's how you can download the Windows 10. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.